hey, please subscribe. Thank you. Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this hairstyle. This is the 24 inches butterfly locks, and I am in love. I've tried the shorter version before and it's cute, but this one, if you want to see how I did it, definitely watch the video. Don't forget to please like this video, like literally just click the button, please. Leave a comment if you would like to. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. I'm pretty much more active on Instagram at Barbara with Denze. Thanks so much for stopping by. Please stay tuned. Mwah. So this is the hair that was sent to me. This hair was sent by a company called Niseyo hair, and this is what their card looks like. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but I've done a video for this company before. It was basically a shorter version of this style, so I'm going to have the link at the top for you guys to click it and watch it after this one. Don't go away, watch this one first, then go and watch that one. So this is the 24 inches butterfly locks. I'm super excited. So I got a color 4. I don't think I've ever done a color 4 hair, so I'm kind of excited to do color 4. Very similar to black, but it's not black. So anyway, yeah, so I got a color 4 of this hair, and I believe they sent me 9 packs. I don't think I'm going to use all 9 packs, but anyway, I have my braiding pattern done. So this is the braiding pattern I use for most of my crochet hair. And guys, look at my hair, is so long now, like whoa. So I have individuals, as you guys can see. And for the back, I did cornrows. I look crazy. I look crazy. I'm just gonna put this away. So I'm gonna show you guys how I tuck the excess hair at the back, because I got this question in one of my other videos. So I'm just gonna show you. I've shown it before, but I'll show it again because I love you guys. Where's my crochet needle? Okay, so I've basically done like what, 5 of them, and I'm actually liking it so far because I've used this hair before, well, this kind of hair before. I know a lot of things to watch for. One is you definitely do not want, what is this on my hair? You definitely do not want your individual braids or your cornrows to be too tight, just because of how thick this hair is. This is actually a lot slimmer than the short ones. The short ones were a bit more chunky, so this one is much easier to go in, like to go under the, like pass through. I actually made it bigger because I had not opened the package of this hair. Like literally I was like, well, as I sat in front of this camera, I actually opened it and I was like, oh, it's actually slimmer. So that's great. Just make sure you do not make your braid too tight. So this is what the hair, one of the strands of the hair looks like. And then the loop looks like this. As you can see, you can barely see it. So what you want to do is actually find that loop before you do any other thing, okay? So now we have the loop a little bit more obvious, actually a lot more obvious. Taking your crochet needle, you want to make sure that the crochet needle is open like that, and then you want to slide it. Remember, you always want to slide it from the opposite direction to where you want the knot to be. So for example, with it falling like this, I definitely want the knot to be under here, not on top. So I'm going to slide the needle through the other side, since I want the knot to be here. Do you get? So same thing with here. I want the knot to be here, which will be basically under the crochet. So I'm going to slide my needle from the opposite direction, which is here. I hope that makes sense. So basically slide it through and then hook the crochet hair onto the crochet needle. Then you want to close your latch hook, pull it through, and then take your own natural hair and pull it through that loop. Notice I did not pull this all the way, because if you pull the crochet braid all the way, you're just wasting your time and you're causing yourself pain just because of how fat the crochet hair is. You don't want to pull it through, it's not necessary, okay? So now, still holding that loop, I'm going to take the end of this crochet hair and pass it through that loop. Alright, so now that that is secured, you basically have your own hair and the crochet hair hanging, so you need to hide your own hair now. So what I'm going to do is do the, I think it's called the tucking method, I'm not sure, but I'm basically going to tuck it into my crochet hair. So taking the crochet pin, make sure it's open, and then put it through, like put it inside the crochet hair. Sometimes I like to like go in like this and like pinch in. Sometimes it's much easier to go in that way, and then slowly go through till the pin comes out at the right spot, and then grab your own hair and then pull it through. So that's one. We're going to keep doing the same thing until we're able to hide all of our hair. So if you have shorter hair, this is just going to be a breeze for you, but once your hair starts getting a little bit longer, you have to tuck a longer length. So yeah, just so you know, okay? So if your hair is super long and you don't have time, girl, just do regular crochet. Alright, so we're done with that one. We're gonna keep going, guys. This part of the hair is what takes time and patience, literally. So I'm gonna keep doing this. When I'm done, I will be so happy, I know that for sure. So altogether in front I have 26 individuals. So yeah, I've done 6, I have 20 more to go. It's a repetitive process, and I'm just gonna keep going till I am done, obviously. When you're doing your individual braids, you definitely do not want to make your individual braids too big, because if you make them too big, then you're gonna have a problem when you have to pull it through the crochet hair. Basically what I've been doing is putting the crochet hair and tucking in my braids, but for this other part I'm just going to put all of the crochet hair at once, and then I would go and tuck it after putting all the crochet. So this is basically one pack, and I used 2 strands from a second pack. So yeah, so I think it's about 12 in one pack. So I've put all the locks in here. I haven't tucked my hair in, which is why it looks crazy. So I'm going to try to make hair look like hair. Oh my god, guys, this thing, anyway, it's actually not taking as long as I thought it was going to take. I checked the time now, and I think I started this about an hour ago. I'm not sure, but it was like around that time. So it's actually not taking that long. Last time it was much longer, but oh my god, I'm still tired. It doesn't matter, I'm still tired, okay? Oh my god, guys, we are finally done with the fronts. Like, literally it takes so long to, I'm not even going to lie to you, like it's actually not the quickest process. Like when I think of crochet, I just think of, you know, get it done like quickly, but it's really not the quickest process. Anyway, that's by the way. I'm glad that we're done with the front, so I'm gonna move to the back now, which is the quick one. This already looks so cute. I can't wait to have my makeup on and just be looking like a fresh babe that I am. Okay, so with the back, I'm doing the regular crochet braid method. A lot of people know how to do crochet, but I'm gonna show it so you guys see what I'm doing, and it's a repetitive process, so it's the same thing I'm gonna do throughout the entire back. Okay guys, this is the final look. I'm so in love with how it turned out. Like, wow. I went ahead and I put some decorations on it. Like I had some herrings and all of that. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, I did put some. Actually put some beads at the bottom. Where is it? Where is it? I had one. Oh, here. I was trying to put it a little bit higher, but it won't pass through because of how the hair is. This hair is from a company called Niseyo. I got 24 inches and this is color 4. I used about 7 packs. I was almost done with the 7th pack, and this is what's left, like just 5 strands. So you actually don't need that much. I just wanted to make it really full. So if you want it full, definitely go for 7 packs. The inside of the crochet took me about 3 to 4 hours. That's not including my braiding pattern. Braiding pattern alone took me probably a little close to 2 hours because I had to do the individuals in front and I was talking and all of that. Anyway, long story. But the inside of the crochet itself took me 3 to 4 hours. They're about, this hair, I didn't have any problems with it. It's a lot slimmer than the shorter version. I think I said that earlier in the video. It's a lot slimmer than the shorter version. The shorter version is much more chunky. So when you're doing your individuals in front, make sure that you don't do your individual braids, like your natural hair, don't make it too big, because if you make it big, it will not be able to pass through the locks. I had some issues at the top here. I mean, it's good that it's close to my hair color, so no one can really notice it except you want to be a hater and come and look inside my head. But no one can really notice it, so definitely keep that in mind when you're doing your individuals in front. I think that's pretty much it for this hair. If I have any more comments on it, I'll definitely put it in the description box below, and if you have any questions, as always, ask me in the comment section. I'll reply you as soon as I can. That's basically it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out my other videos, share with your friends. Like this video, please, 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 actually, like, I'm begging you, click the thumbs up, and if you can leave a comment, that would be amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.